good morning. So today I'm going to be riding the Xpulse with an Hero Xpulse group. We're going to ride to Kanakpura side where we are going to go up an off-road trail called Muneshwara Betta. Helmet. Yep. Okay guys, so we are at Sai Hero in Banshankari, and this is the turnout for today. Lot of Xpulses, lot of crazy things people have done. Let me show you that. Okay, let's go inside and check it out, what Hero has in store for us. We have this yummy breakfast from Hero. Okay, all the formalities are done. It's 8:37 on the clock. All bikes are ready. Side stand. Okay, let's line up. You got to see the security of Xpulses in the signal.
You want me to push? Oh, this is like riding on butter with all the sand. The bike did absolutely brilliantly. Just inspiring confidence. Like, I would have never even dreamed of doing these trails with any other bike. It's light, you're in control, and it is just gliding through. Whoa. Wow, this was fun, dude. Oh man, it was fun.
So we reached this place, Muneshwara, Betta. So this is like fairly new place, not very known to tourists. That's my bike there. I'll just show you the view. All the Xpulses on the peak of Muneshwara Betta. That's an outstanding Apache. And see the view.